What's going on, everybody? Quick little video today on how to easily diagnose which wheel on your car is causing a wheel bearing noise. So first off, in the background here of the video, you'll be able to hear the kind of loud humming noise coming from this car. It'll be especially noticeable as I'm accelerating, like I'm about to do in just a moment. You'll hear that humming noise get louder as I accelerate the vehicle. So there you should have been able to easily hear that loud humming noise that I'm talking about. This is the telltale sign of a bad wheel bearing. This is a pretty common noise when you have a wheel bearing that's gone out. The challenge here is really determining which wheel on your car is causing this noise. So to determine which side of the vehicle the noise is coming from, you're simply going to get up to speed and slightly turn the wheel to one side or another, just like I'm about to do here. Now in this example, you'll notice that when I turn the wheel to the right, the noise gets really loud, and when I turn the wheel to the left, the noise gets much quieter. The reason for this is that when you turn to the right, you are loading the left front wheel, which causes that bearing to be noisy, and when you turn to the left, you are loading the right front wheel, and since the right front wheel bearing is not bad, you're going to be quieter as the left front wheel bearing doesn't have any load on it, so it's not going to make as much noise. Now I'm going to play that clip one more time here so you can hear exactly what I'm talking about. Notice when I turn the wheel to the right, the noise gets much louder. When I turn the wheel to the left, the noise will get much quieter. So in this example, the wheel bearing that we are loading is the left front wheel bearing, which is the one that's causing the noise. This clip I'm playing right now is after the wheel bearing has been replaced, and you'll notice it is much quieter. Now, quick disclaimer, this method does work about 98% of the time. Every once in a while, you do get a wheel bearing that actually makes more noise when it doesn't have a load put on it. It all depends on how the bearing wears, so you should always check them for roughness. You can usually turn them when you have the wheel in the air. You can feel the roughness in them or hear the roughness in them as you turn them by hand, so you should always check for that, because this method does not work every time, but it does work 98% of the time, I would say. But that's all that's really to it here, guys. If you turn to the right and the noise gets louder, you have a left wheel bearing that's bad. If you turn to the left and the noise gets louder, you have a right wheel bearing that is bad. It's fairly simple, it's quick and easy, and something you can diagnose yourself, no problem. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. Thank you guys so much for watching.